Welcome audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today the purpose of my video is to describe that what are the actual causes of that Islamic civilization went into the crisis. The decline of Islamic civilizations is supposed to be due to sometimes due to itself the existence of Islam as a religion, and secondly the other religious groups that think that the actual criteria of development and prosperity is our religion. So what actually the causes of our decline as an Islamic civilization are since previous 300 to 400 years. So the first thing that we come to know after putting light on the history is that bowing to pre-existing interpretations of Islam was the biggest mistake of the Muslims in either it is the Abbasid Caliph or in Usmanic Caliphate and even the empire of Mughals in subcontinent. All these areas, we think that pre-existing interpretations were just believed to fulfill the new emerging requirements. Even the ijtihad, the method of ijtihad, which means to derive new principles, new laws based on the Islamic principles or Sharia and law, according to the requirements of the time. Despite the existence of the concept of ijtihads, the obsessive dependence on the pre-existing interpretations of Holy Quran and Hadith was the biggest mistake. And the second thing that we come to know is the internal political instability that consistently and constantly kept on putting pressure on the Islamic civilization towards decline, because the internal whenever there was the time of power shift, there will be a big massacre, and of course instability and lack of work in the society. The result obviously was to the lack of incorporation of Islamic values and the disruption of its social norms in the society at this so large area of the Abbasid Caliph, even if it is the Caliphate, Osmanic Caliphate and Mughal Empire. In all these dynasties, that was actually the disrupted form of caliphate, that is considered to be the way of governance in any Islamic state. Like the conversion of caliphate into kingship in the Muslim lands was also a big mistake that we say that actually brought the political instability. And the of course the third thing was the lagging in exploration. If we put light on the history in previous 300 years or 400 years, after 17th century, whenever there was technological advancement, even in transport, if we talk about from carts or from the horses towards currently the aeroplanes and air taxis, in this evolving period there is no Muslim who is contributing in this advancement. If we talk about the advancement in weapons, when we say that from the gunpowder or swords to the current era of the cyber attacks and nuclear weapons, particularly the Muslim comes into mind to us, that has prominently contributed in developing new and timely technologies. The lack of exploration was the also big mistake that was not paid attention by the Muslim world. It also caused a decline in the Muslim dynasties. So these were the actual, if I say, the scientific reason or reasons, or the historical reasons that we come to know about decline of Islamic civilization or crisis of Islamic civilization.